Guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday June the 2020, sorry, the 22nd 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. It's the additional of Monday, June the 19th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku in a 0-star Sudoku. So one puzzle remain, and it's the Tectonic, the Tectonic with a 1 star. Alright. Let me position this. Alright. Tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number, I believe, number 6637. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Well. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. It's indicated with 1 star, so it should be easy to solve. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Alright, next question, do we have here in this puzzle duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I see here a duo box. The 1 is already given, so that box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. I see here a triple box. I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information, insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5. It's in the same area. We already have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright. More triple boxes? No, quadra boxes then. Let me scan for quadra boxes. I see here only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Next strategy is to recognize... Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Here, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Rotated. This one is rotated. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Oh, I overlooked this first shape. Yeah, this one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 then. Alright. More T shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have more of these kind of shape here. This one rotated. this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Then, the final shape, I believe, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And here another one upside down, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This area, we need a 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 4. We have a 4 here. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Alright. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box. Should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there then. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3, because we have the double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5 in this area. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. Yeah, 1 number left for the 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 there. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4 then. But we already have a 4 here. So not a solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 is also connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. And 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and a 5. The 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5. It goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Then. Let me think. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These. Wait. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. Now. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We already have a 1 here, so it cannot be 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there, finished in 30 minutes. Well. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.